Well, folks, we have another one for you today, don't we, Scott?
It is so. This is a very good one indeed. Apollo 11 liftoff from the lunar surface. Supposed to be continuous feed from a camera, and yet it's highly edited.
Well, Apollo 11, we start at 3422, and we're just going to go through it in the editor so we could see what's going on. This is taken at 24 frames per second. So let's just have a look within those frames. Oh, wait a minute, what do we see here? We see at 34:25:17, and we go to 18. Wait a minute, where did all the frames go? It goes to 19 and then it just cuts. Now look at the crater right here over on the left hand side. Now isn't it amazing how that crater just stretched? And not only that, but all of the craters right here in the middle, whoa, where did it go? Where did that crater just go?
Bunch of them changed shape there too, didn't they?
Let's count and see how many frames are missing from this. And then we're going to throw a hypothesis up here.
So that happens in 1/24th of a second, is
One
what you're saying.
24th of a second. Now we're going to come up to this, and there you go. So if you were to go from here to here, there is 13 frames that are missing here. Where did those frames go? Well, friends, we have an idea where those frames went, because as this LEM is taking off from the surface, supposedly, there's a point where they're going to have to make a cut from the mold or plaster mold, whatever they're using to make this scene here. They have to make a cut to the scenery when they're higher up. The Skotax brothers did this very well years ago. There's no other place in this video where we could find this. They had to make it somewhere, and I believe that this is where they made that transition right here, because the craters are changing shape. That cannot happen between 11 missing frames. And look at this one up here. There's a lot of strange things going on. Special effects people normally would have used something like this line to mask it. Not this time. So if they're going to make a cut, this is where it's going to be.
So they lost a few frames when they were doing the editing job as well. And then as it continues on, then it appears then that it is then orbiting.
This is just rocking and rolling on that cable, lifting it off the mold. You can also see that the LEM seems to be falling apart because there's pieces falling off of it. What a sad situation.